Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to talk about this Royal Enfield Hunter 350 2023 model. This is a brand new model for Royal Enfield, and it's a lot of fun to work on this bike. We trying to do stuff that doesn't break the bank because it's not a very expensive bike, so we wanted to just try and do some modifications, and we found that doing very little really transformed this bike and made it look totally different, really cool, cafe style. And let's show you what we did. So for the exhaust, we got a Predator Carbon. It's a 4-inch version. And when we talk about the 4-inch or 3-inch, we're talking about right here where the cap bolts on, is how wide that part is. This is the same as our standard Predator Carbon, except it's been shortened down a little bit for this particular application. It has a perforated core baffle. It's made from 304 stainless, handmade right here in Gardena, California. So for our lighting, we have our cat eye fender illuminator that we're working on. Still have a couple of things to tweak on it, but pretty much what it's going to look like. See, this is all LED. You have your lighting coming onto your license plate, LED brake light, and then for the turn signals, we have the bullet turn signals from K&S using the amber lenses. We like those. They look a little more vintage on this bike. And it uses our adapter and mounting plates for a shock mount style. And these are not LED, these are incandescent bulbs. So for the front, again, we have K&S bullet turn signals with amber lenses. And these, just like the rear, are utilizing our universal wiring harness. So we adapt to this. And incandescent bulbs. So for the handlebar, we used the cafe bar on here, and the only thing that we had to do to make this work was we had to disconnect the brake line and reroute it from the outside to inside over here because of the angle of the banjo just wouldn't allow us to get to it. So to fix that, we just rerouted that. Everything else stayed the same. So it was a real quick, easy transformation on this bike. That with the 4-bolt risers just looks so different. And so for the mirrors, we used our hollow bar end adapters. They're 7/8" bars. And this mirror is part of the import line. And we had to put caps to fill this. We got 2 caps. One's a left-hand thread and one's a right-hand thread. So we need to get both the matching set for the bike. And that's it. So that's it for our Hunter 350 build. As you can see, it took very few parts to totally transform this bike. It's 100% different from what it came in as, and did not take much at all. So if you like what you see, let us know in the comments. If you want to see other things go on with this bike, let us know that too. And thanks for watching.